finna do a full review on the goddamn chicken Big Mac, man. I'm finna do a full review on the chicken Big Mac, man. Let y'all know what's going on. Yo, so today we gonna be doing a full review on the motherfucking Big Mac, chicken Big Mac. That's what's going on. Oh shit, so I noticed right off the bat, this motherfucker sloppy as hell. Look at this shit. So we gonna try to, I think it's upside down, so, and they bogus for doing that. Like, they mad because they gotta make them. So this is the goddamn it Big Mac chicken sandwich. Look at this shit. Big Mac chicken sandwich. So I'm finna do this motherfucker. I'm gonna let y'all know what's to it right now. Big Mac chicken sandwich. They say it's messy, so look at that shit. Big Mac chicken sandwich, look. Motherfucker low key a hit. For real, look at this motherfucker. Low key a hit. This motherfucker, alright. Chicken sandwich, Big Mac. I'm gonna give it about an 8, 9 on the scale. Let me know what y'all think. Big Murphy 232.